Hi everyone, so today we're going to be making these brownies and you just have to add water and microwave this. Now add 1 tablespoon and teaspoon of water. You're going to insert it in your microwave for 45 seconds under high. Now you're going to squeeze your frosting pot for at least 10 times until you can feel the liquid form inside. Now you're just going to decorate your brownie. I was attempting a drizzle, but I didn't squeeze it for long enough, so I just frosted it on. So this is your finished product and I hope you enjoyed. Bye!